Hello everyone, you are on the phone support channel. Before watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like to support it, and also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you. Or feel free to ask questions. Thank you. In this video, I will show and tell you how you can easily, literally in a couple seconds, reopen your Facebook profile. That is, if you have a closed profile and you want to make it public, it's very easy to do. The first option is you go into the app, Facebook. Then you go to your profile, and it says, you're locked your profile. You click Liam Moore, and you click Unlock. Or you can also go to the settings of your Facebook, go a little lower and find here the item, Profile Locked. In the morning, the same window will open. Here we also press the button, Unlock. Unlock your profile, and that's it. Your profile is open. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. There is nothing complicated. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also check out other useful videos on the channel. You are on the phone support channel. See you soon. Watch other videos on this channel.